This automatic jelly packaging machine is specially designed for quantitative packaging of various granular materials. It integrates automatic bed forming, precise weighing, filling, sealing and cutting into one single process. Equipped with stable PLC control and photoelectric tracking system, the machine features simple operation, high packaging speed and accurate measuring. It supports adjustable bed length, weight and packaging parameters to meet different production needs. The whole machine adopts food-grade stainless steel structure, which is clean, durable and compliant with production hygiene standards. It is widely used for packaging food grains, nuts, sugar, seeds, small hardware particles, chemical granules and other granular products. Compact structure, low failure rate and stable running make it an ideal packaging solution for small and medium production lines.